If you're looking for a way to create high-quality articles quickly and easily, then you should check out Wordplay. This AI writing tool helps you create full-length 2,000-word articles from just the title and a few subheaders. Great for generating content for your blog or website. You've come to the right place if you're looking for the best AI writing tool. Wordplay is an AI-based copywriting tool. Wordplay helps you to generate SEO-friendly content. Also, the content of Wordplay quickly ranks at the top of search engines. You can generate 2,000+ words from a single keyword with Wordplay. You can shorten your work time and speed up your workflow tenfold. Wordplay allows you to create high-quality, long-form content as quickly as possible. So, let's see some of the unique features of Wordplay. Single article. Wordplay provides 3 sorts of article authoring tools. The first is the Generate Single Article tool. Enter your article title and a description of your content. You can also write about your topic in 2 or 3 lines. You may also add extra subheadings to your article to make it longer. Every subheading aids in the creation of more valuable and high-quality content that translates into visitors. Isn't that straightforward? Bulk creation. You will be able to produce mass material at the same time in Wordplay's bulk content creation mode. It will give CSV templates where you may enter the title, subheading, and other descriptors for each piece of content. Please fill out the CSV template and submit it to the Wordplay.ai dashboard. Wait a few seconds before generating mass stuff at once. AI mode. With the power of AL, you may produce any long-form content. AL mode allows you to produce articles using your favorite terms quickly. First, choose an article length such as 750, 1200, or 2,000 words. Enter the target keywords you wish to produce based on your article title. Enter the project name, description, and focus keywords that better characterize your material. You can view the estimated producing words of your article at the bottom. SEO-friendly content. Google employs AI to determine the importance and quality of information. As a result, using an AI tool yourself is the most efficient approach to guarantee your material is suited for these computations. Wordplay's AI content creation employs matching deep learning algorithms. They use it to create content that Google can use to rank. As a result, Wordplay will not only produce high-quality and helpful material, it also makes material that Google's algorithms will generally love and rank. Plagiarism-free content. Google strictly prohibits plagiarism. If you copy someone else's content, Google will find it out. Google doesn't rank plagiarized content. Also, it can block your site from copying someone else's content. Wordplay will give you 100% authentic plagiarism-free content. You don't have to worry about a copyright strike from Google. Easy to use. If you think using AI-powered tools is complicated, you are wrong. Wordplay is designed to reduce the hassle of content writing, so it is straightforward to use. You can easily create high-quality content with Wordplay AI. Wordplay pricing plans. This AI writer has a unique workflow that is incredibly simple and powerful. To use it, you just input a title, keyword, for the article and then input 6 subheadings. That's it, and a few minutes later, you will have a 2,000-word article. And you can fill the input data out in a CSV and import multiple article requests at once for bulk output. The simplicity is great, and the quality of the content is good too. Hoping for more control over the content, and I'm excited to see where the developer takes Wordplay. It has 4 regular pricing plans: Starter, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. It starts at $99 to $2,800. Now you may think that the regular price is too expensive. No worries, a Wordplay lifetime deal is available from Appsumo for only $99. Alert! Most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to Appsumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Wordplay today. One-time purchase of $99 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.